Hey everyone, welcome to the paid membership side of my YouTube channel. Happy to have you here. If you're here, if you're not, please join. The basics of how this is gonna work. Once every single month, I'm going to post a full-length, professionally filmed Vogue tutorial that you can learn from anywhere in the world in the comfort of your own home. It's going to have drills, stretches, full choreography, a front side and a back side to help you learn. And it'll be kind of designed for you to slow down or speed up and take it as slow as you need in order to learn the choreography. So there'll be one of those every single month alongside shorter tutorials throughout, as well as polls to give you influence on future content and a special badge next to your name, and also just more direct access to me to get feedback as you're learning, whether it's on specific movements in the choreo or just general questions about Vogue or anything else. But yeah, I really hope to see you here. If you have any more questions before you join, or you have anything you want clarified, feel free to reach out to me here on Instagram or anything else, and I'd be happy to let you know or help you with everything. I hope that you decide to join the channel and support me. And thank you all regardless for being on this journey.